Hi guys, welcome back to number 9 in this series. This time we're making this £1 pack of make your own reindeer jingle bells. You make 3 decorations with 1 pack. Our last project, number 8, was this holly berry pom-pom wreath. And other things we've made include this little Santa hanging decoration, this little stitched elf, this little picture frame, a sun catcher, a stocking which I've got some glitter glue going on with, lots of different projects. So this is project number 8, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh no, this is project number 9, sorry. And this is make your own reindeer jingle bells. Now there doesn't appear to be any instructions. Oh, there is instructions. The last project we did had no instructions and I just had to make it up as I went along, which was unfortunate. Oh, these are great, big jingle bells. I love jingle bells. So here's our instructions for this one. Make your own reindeer jingle bells. 1 brown jingle bell. This is what we've got in here. 1 brown jingle bell, 1 big brown pom-pom, 1, I thought it said you could make 2, anyway. Scissors and fabric glue are required for this. 2 small brown pom-poms, 1 red pom-pom, 2 wiggle eyes, 1 red ribbon, 1 pipe cleaner, 1 gold pipe cleaner. Right, so we need a brown jingle bell, a big brown pom-pom, 2 small brown pom-poms, a red pom-pom. Oh yeah, there's a red pom-pom. They're tiny, the red ones. The red pom-pom. 2 wiggle eyes. So we need a red pom-pom, 2 wiggle eyes, googly eyes as we call them. Let's see if I can release 2 without knocking everything else out of the bag. There's 1. The other one don't want to come out, does it? Just wants to jingle away in there. A red ribbon, brown pipe cleaner, gold pipe cleaner. Here's a gold pipe cleaner. A brown pipe cleaner. And the gold thread. Right, so there are enough to do 3. There is enough stuff to do 3. And the red ribbon. I think as with the other projects, we would say, even though it doesn't say on this one, we would say under 3s, and probably not suitable because of the choke hazard from the pom-poms and the jingle bells. So, right, let's put all that back in the bag. Everything does come in like resealable bags. I've just ripped this open, but I have got a resealable bag that I can pop it all into. So I'm just going to grab that one. That's from one that I've used all the components of. You don't want to be losing your bits. I mean, if you're going to just make all 3, so you might have 3 children or 1 small child and 1 older child who can make a couple, or you all make 1 each, or you might just make 1 and come back and make another 1 tomorrow. You could make it a daily treat. You know, if you're good today, you can do this. We'll do another one of these. Whatever you want. Loop the gold thread through the hole in the jingle bell and tie to secure. So that goes through the top bit of the jingle bell. And we'll tie it to secure it. I love Jingle Bells. To create the reindeer's head, attach the large brown pom-pom to the bell with glue. So that comes around there, I guess. Now what I'm going to do, instead of using a sticky, a wet glue, I'm going to use a glue dot. So I'm just going to pop that on there and stick that onto there. But then to fasten them onto there is going to be really hard. To glue that onto there is not going to be easy. How on earth is that going to stick? How do you expect that to stick to there? What I'm going to do, I'm going to put glue on. And then it's all cool. I'm sorry, I'm going to admit defeat with this one because it's just too messy, it's too fiddly, and I don't see how on earth those antlers are going to be supported by that little piece of fluff. The only thing I could suggest is maybe, because it is cute, is maybe make the antlers smaller and stick them into the fluff. So maybe just push them into it, but even that's not going to work. No, I'm admitting defeat with this one, guys, and this is one I've got to give away as well. I will give it away, and if you can have the dexterity and the patience to make it work, good luck to you.